Kencove is excited to be offering Kiwitech products, and in this video we're going to give you a quick look at how you can utilize this versatile grazing system for yourself. The Kiwitech system is highly customizable and modular, meaning you can build it to suit any need. You can utilize Kiwitech spools and a snap-in handle to quickly assemble an orbital reel, or build on with a gearbox kit, giving you a single, double, or triple geared reel with a 4:1 ratio, or even upgrade to a carry pack, allowing you to carry your spools and posts all in one portable system. Kiwitech posts offer customizable feet for end posts, brace posts, and line posts, as well as single or double wedges for installing insulator clips, and even release hooks for easily hanging a spool at the end of a run. Kiwitech also offers specialty tools and components to make your life easier, like this double wedge applicator for installing clips on posts, and this gate handle that allows you to remove slack from your fence line. For more information on Kiwitech products, visit kencove.com, and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on utilizing the Kiwitech system.